In this Canva tutorial, let's take a look at how to use templates. So one of the cool things about Canva is that it comes with tons of pre-designed templates. So if we're trying to make a social media post, maybe like a square post here, we can actually search for templates within the Design tab, which is the first tab over here in the toolbar on the left. Now what we can do here is take a look at both templates and styles. On the templates section, we already have some upcoming or seasonal options here that we can filter by. We have a recently used and also just kind of all results, which doesn't really show anything right now. However, up here we can search for things. So if we wanted to look for a spring sale template, we could actually just search for that and press the return key. Now, some of these templates are going to be Canva Pro templates, which you can try for free with the link in the description. But you can see the difference between Pro with the little crown icon or a free template that doesn't have that crown icon. So to use one of these templates, you can just click on it and it will introduce it into your main design space. So it'll add it to this page. And you can add multiple pages if you want and try some different templates. So because we had that template, these are some more that are like that template. So we could click on one like this. And now you can see we have two different options here that we can start to play with. And these templates actually have all the assets within them. They have all the fonts. Everything is ready to be edited and super easy. We can move around pieces. We can change things to say, no, it's actually 25% off, not 30. I mean, you can change the fonts, but it's a great starting point. And I think that's one of the hardest things about design is starting from a blank slate. So being able to look through some of these templates and click on them and try them out and see if they work with your branding. And if some of them include pictures, so let's find one, for instance, this one here includes a photo. We can always replace that photo in the background. So if we can find that photo, let's see, let's double click in here. There's a shape here that is in front of the photo to kind of darken the photo to make sure the text stands out. So if you wanted to get to the photo, you could just shift the shape down a little and you can click on the photo in the background, which you could either get rid of or once you do that, and that was a background photo, you can just go over to elements, search for some elements, and maybe it's, maybe this is a flower sale. So you're going to search for flowers within photos, find some free flower pictures or find some pro flower photos, and then you could bring that into the background image there. And so now we have this spring sale. Got these flower photos behind there, and we could arrange them and make sure that they're set as the background image instead of just within there. And we can bring this darkness back up. So now we've just adjusted that photo and completely changed it. And then we can make our adjustments to the text. But that's how you can work with these templates and add your own photos and change around the text. And I mean, really quickly, you can get a completed design within minutes just by using templates here in Canva.